Hello, YouTube. I have spent 7 long years farting in this here car, and never once did I change the cabin filter. So today we're gonna do just that. We're gonna change that cabin filter. With any luck, I'll go right back to farting, but not smelling my own gas. Let's get started. This, of course, is for older Subarus, where it's a
pain in the ass.
And I do have it on excellent authority
from my ass that it's a
pain in the ass. You're gonna be removing all kinds of screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, a cabin filter in a Subaru. Better take apart the whole fucking car. No, all the screws out, this should come out. Fantastic. Look here in this compartment and enjoy it. Do you love it? Let's see what we got. Ooh. Oh no. Oh no! Duffman disapproves. This air filter has never been changed in the car's 13-year history. Basically, it's not doing shit. That's a lot of farts, actually. Merry Christmas. Change your cabin filters, folks. I got this one here. MicroGuard. I'll put a link to it or a similar one in the description below to save you some headache of searching for it. I feel like I should vacuum this out. There's so much gunga in there. You know what? I'm gonna do exactly that. Oh yeah, we're gonna turn this into a lean, mean,
fart-sucking machine.
Is this gonna be an absolute fucking hassle as well? You bet it is. Now, was that easy or what? All it took was what? Shaving off 5 years of my lifespan? I think that was a worthy sacrifice. If you found this video helpful, fart on that like button and shard on the subscribe button. And I'm off to go smash my head repeatedly in the hood of my car.